Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIEVS home school. I am Sanjida Rahman, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, day shift. Today I am going to take a science class for the student of class 2, and our today's topic is chapter 2, reading done. Lecture number 1, term, annual term 2021. And this is my name, Sanjida Rahman, mobile number. My dear students, from today's class we start annual term topic, and for this we start chapter 2, reading done. Now let's start our class. Chapter 2. The name of our chapter is uses of the plants. So our today's chapter name is uses of plants, and from today we start our annual term class. Number, we get many things from the plants. All the things that we get from the plants are called plant products. Food from plants. Plants give us food. We get many kinds of food from plants. Animals and humans being dependent on plants for their food. Basically, we get our most of the food from the plants. So we depend on the plants for our food. The food which we get from the plants include grains, rice, pulses, wheat, fruit and vegetables. So here is the picture of some things which we get from the plants. Here is the picture of some fruits. Here is the pineapple, mango, jackfruit, apple, guava, lychee. We get these fruits from the plants. Here the picture of spices, different kinds of spices. We get these spices from the plants. And here is the picture of the vegetables, cauliflower, potato, brinjal, gourd. We get these things also from the plants. And here is the grains like pulses, like rice, sugar. We get these grains from the plants also. Now, oils, butter, margarine, tea, coffee and cocoa are also products of the plants. We make chocolate using cocoa. We get sugar from the sugarcane. Spices like pepper, clove, cardamom, turmeric, etc. are all plant products. Spices make our food tasty. We use spices to make our food tasty, and we get this thing also from the plant. We use oil, cocoa powder, we take coffee, we get all these things from plants also. Now here is the picture of a tea, coffee, margarine, cocoa powder, sugar, spices. All of these things we also get from the plants. Now wood from the plants. We get wood from the trees such as teak, sal and oak. Wood is used to make houses, windows, doors, tables, chair and other furniture and pencils. We also get paper from the wood. Wood is also used to make fire for cooking. In cold places, people burn wood to keep warm. So, in our house, there are lots of furniture, and we use this furniture in our everyday life. We sleep on the bed, we read on the table, we take our breakfast meal in the dining table, we sit on the chair. All of these things are made from wood, and we also get paper from the wood. So wood gives us furniture. In the cold countries, they fire wood to get warm from the fire. So here wooden logs for fire, chair, table, paper and pencil. In here you see a boy reading on the table and sitting on the chair. All these things are made of wood. Now medicines from the plants. Plants like ginger, tulsi, neem, cloves are uses to make medicine. Here is the leaf of tulsi, neem and clove. These things are used for making different kinds of medicine and soap. Fiber from the plants. We get fiber from the plants such as jute, cotton and hemp. So we get fiber from the different kinds of plants like jute, cotton and hemp, and we use these fibers to make rope, to make mattress or carpet and different things. Some other uses of the plants. Other useful things that we get from the plants are given below. Rubber. We get rubber from the rubber tree. Rubber is used to make erasers, tires, pipes and balloons. So the eraser which are using to erase your writing, it is also made with the rubber, and we get this rubber from the plant. In different there are plants which give us rubber. So we get these things from plant also. Glue. Acacia tree is used to make king gum. This gum is used to make glue. Perfume. Flowers like rose, jasmine, lily and have sweet smell. They are used to make perfume. Some flowers like rose, jasmine and lily, they are very fragrant flower and we get sweet smell from them, and these flowers are using to make different kinds of different kinds of making perfume, and after processing these flowers, perfume are produced. Now oils of plant like neem, coconut, clove etc. are used to make soap, shampoo and toothpaste. We get also oil from the neem and coconut, clove. We use this. Also we get olive oil, soybean oil, mustard oil from the plants also, and we use these oils in our daily life, like we take soybean oil or mustard oil as our food. We use coconut oil to nourish or moisturize our hair, and also making different kinds of soap. Coconut oil is used. Plants are and our surroundings. Plants help to keep our surrounding clean. They make our surrounding look good. They help the air to breathe fresh. They are also homes to many animals. Many birds and animals build their nest in the tree. Plants help us to decorate our homes. Flowers of the plants such as roses, marigold etc. and leaves of some plants like mango are used for decoration as festivals, weddings and birthdays. So we use plants to decorate our homes or making our home very look good. So and we also plant different kinds of money plant, flower plant in our veranda and garden. And we also use these plants to decorate our house, homes in the different kinds of festivals like Eid, birthday, wedding ceremony. And plants are also used to the nest of the birds and animals. So plants are very useful to us. And a very important note that the mango tree is the national tree of Bangladesh, which is called the national tree of Bangladesh. Mango tree is called the national tree of Bangladesh. And which fruit is called the king of the fruit? Mango is called the king of the fruit, but jackfruit is our national fruit. So in this chapter we know all that we get from the plants are called plant products. Animals and humans depend on the plants for their food. Plants give us food, medicine and fiber. We get wood from the trees. We also get rubber, glue, perfume, soap, shampoo and toothpaste from the plants. And last one, plants helps to keep our surrounding clean. My dear students, in this chapter we learn the different uses of the plants and how plants are useful to us, and how can they help us in our everyday life. You will study this chapter properly. Till then, keep well. Assalamu alaikum.